Hey, it's Clay Trader for BullWarriorStocks.com, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FITX. We'll take a look at the 60-minute time frame. I've done this one quite a few times now and wanted to do it on the 60-minute time frame just because I think that does a better job of showing what's going on. Looking at the daily chart real quick, I'm not going to call it worthless, but you can see massive move, crazy candlestick, gap up, massive red, bloodbath, and then all of a sudden it's green today. So, while that's certainly not worthless, I think getting kind of more of a micro view at the information as we can right here makes things a little bit easier. So just a quick recap, monster move happened, and then profit taking started. That profit taking led to a little bit more profit taking, and that eventually led to the panic selling and panic. And then right here, just the beauty of charts, not to try to get all sappy or anything, but as a chartist, this almost brings a tear to my eye. Of pure beauty. Look at that. For those people that don't think charting works, bam, came right down to the 50-period simple moving average, found support right there, and then bounced very nicely. So, for the skeptics of technical analysis and charts, that's very hard to argue against, and this happens all the time. You just have to know how to read charts and how to use them, and you can find areas like this, multiple occasions. So, this is one of those things where just awesome to see that sort of action happen. But not too surprising because, like I said, it does happen. But anyways, let's talk about what we want to see here happen and what's been going on. So obviously found support there, bounced, and now we have a short-term pattern. When I say short-term, keep in mind this is a 60-minute chart, so I'm talking short-term pattern. But we have basically right here, bull pennant. I guess you could call it a bull flag. That probably wouldn't be as accurate, but I know those lines are kind of skinny. But what I'm drawing here is, here's the flag pull. Then we have this portion coming across, and then this portion coming up like this. So if you picture like a little golf hole down here, there we go. We have our bull pennant. And the resistance portion of this pattern is right up there at 0.023. So for whatever reason, this 0.023 area, there's some sellers sitting up there. So that's going to be the first area of resistance that you're going to want to break. And if the bulls can break through there, then the next level of resistance will be up at 0.0248. So again, top of this pattern right here is at 0.023, and then the next level of resistance would be at 0.0248, and then after that, next area of resistance is going to be right up here around the 0.028 area. In terms of supports, well, I've pretty much already touched on that. The level that you want to see continue to hold going forward is that purple line right now that's valued at 0.0139, but that will continue to increase over time, so keep that in mind. But all in all, nice to see it go green today. A lot of the stocks in the sector still weren't able to go green. They were still red. So I know FITX is one of the few that was able to turn the table and go green. So it'll be interesting to see what happens with this short-term pattern next week. But keep your eyes on those resistances, and we'll see if any sort of second wave gets started here. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out my private trading group if you have not yet. We've been really doing well. We've been around about 3 weeks now, and this past week was just an awesome week. So I'd encourage you to check it out, and you don't have to take my word or anything. You can read the third-party testimonials up there and get a good outside perspective. But we have the live chat room coming soon. So if you want to hang out with me and other quality traders during the day and keep up to date on all the market movers and market events, then hopefully decide to join us. One more time, this was FITX. Thanks for listening, and enjoy your weekend.